Good morning, everybody. Let us discuss, of course, open price action because the prices still continue to consolidate and we don't have any reaction yet from the market. So before we go further, guys, we have to discuss our disclaimer. Our content here is just for education purposes and we're not financial advisors. So always do you do diligence before you put your money on the line. So as we see here, guys, we've got Open is still consolidating inside the channel. The only good thing for today is holding inside this channel. Is mean we are preparing for a huge move. So right now we are just consolidating for preparing for another jump. So just put alert, guys, around this area between the 919 and 880 in order to confirm a reversal happening, because today we have a test almost around this white line, which prove that we have a big seller and prove that this channel is really critical for us to confirm another buyer and confirm a breakout. So far we're still holding the 783, which is the prominent, the strongest support that we should hold to confirm that we still have a buyer from below. And today we just filled the gap because we gapped up in the pre-market. We tested today, we have another buyer over the 8 and we reverse. So by tomorrow we're gonna confirm either a breakout or this week, guys, we have highly chance that we're gonna have a breakout from this level because the market is pretty active. We have a lot of buyers right now and the big whales coming in the market for today, Monday, because the market is a bit greener for this week. We're gonna have a major shift in the market by for tomorrow. We're gonna confirm it in the pre-market if we broke over the 880 or over this white line by tomorrow. Of course, if we don't have this action, this means we need another buyer or a big buyer in order to break this resistance. We can control this kind of situation, guys. We have to have patience and wait for the right buyer to make us break over this area in order to go toward almost the $10 and $11 in the rest of this week. Remember, guys, we always go live tomorrow, so make sure to subscribe and put the notification on in order to be notified once we go live to cover open live. And of course, before that, on our discourse in Bitcoin today, we discussed a few stocks that did a really great job in the pre-market watch list. One of them, it was AMD, after huge news partnership with, of course, OpenAI, and of course jumped almost 35%. The first time we have this kind of reaction, and we did this in updates once the price was around 201, and of course the price went until the 227. Market open, pulled back, so it was a really good entry in a pre-market. And the other stock, of course, that we discussed in the pre-market was of course FEMY. The price was around the 80 and we suggest to take profit around the 99. Market open, we pulled back from the 99 before even the market opened, so the entry was better 2 hours before the market opened. So we're going to do update for tomorrow for other stocks, of course, in pre-market before the jump and before the market opened, to have a good trade before even the market opened. The link in comment section below, guys, to our community in Discord and Bitcoin. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.